Let's be honest, being a fashion designer looks glamorous online. Pretty clothes, runway lights, applause, but behind that shine, you've got long nights, clients who want miracles on small budgets, and the same question every creative faces: how do I actually make money from this? I've met designers who gave up because they thought fashion only pays when you blow. Truth is, there are at least 7 solid ways to make money as a designer, even if you don't have a shop, fancy machines, or a big name yet. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Because fashion design isn't just about sewing, it's a business, a brand, and a mindset. Once you understand that, you stop chasing luck and start building income. So grab your sketchbook, because we're about to break down how to turn your creativity into cash flow. Now, before we dive into the 7 ways to make money, let's clear up a few lies that keep many designers stuck. Lie number 1: you need a big boutique before you can earn. Not true. Some of the most profitable designers work from small corners in their rooms, but they run it like a business, not a hobby. Lie number 2: only celebrities can make you rich. Wrong again. The real money is in consistency, not fame. Everyday people, brides, office workers, church members, are your biggest market. Lie number 3: I can't start until I'm perfect. If you wait till everything is flawless, you'll be waiting forever. Start with what you know, learn fast, and grow from there. Here's the truth. Fashion design is an ecosystem. You don't have to do everything, but you should understand the lanes. Once you know them, you'll pick your own path and walk it with confidence. So let's get practical. Here are 7 real ways to make money as a fashion designer.
Income stream number 1, custom work, tailoring and made to order. That's your made to order outfits, wedding dresses, asoebi looks, birthday fits, all that. This is where most designers start, and that's fine. It's the fastest way to build both skill and cash flow. Every client becomes a walking billboard for your brand. The trick? Treat every job like it's your portfolio. Don't just sew, design an experience. Show up on time for fittings, communicate clearly. Take pictures of your finished work and post them, because consistency online brings more clients than any flyer ever will. And remember, don't chase every client, chase the right ones, the ones who value your craft and respect your price. Even 2 or 3 loyal clients who come back every month can keep your business alive. Once you've built that base, you can expand into something more scalable, which leads us to the next stream. Income stream number 2, ready-to-wear line. Now, once you've mastered custom work, the next move is ready-to-wear. This is where you stop designing one outfit for one person and start creating pieces that can be sold to many. Think of it like this. While you sleep, your clothes should still be earning. A small collection of 5 to 10 repeatable designs can become your silent workers. Tops, skirts, dresses, clean cuts that people can buy again and again. You don't need a massive factory. Start with one trusted tailor or a small team. Focus on perfecting your fit and finishing. Then use social media as your storefront. Instagram, TikTok, or even WhatsApp status. They're free showrooms if you post consistently. You can also sell through local pop-ups, online marketplaces, or small boutiques that accept consignments. Just remember, in ready-to-wear, branding matters. From your label tag to your packaging, every detail should whisper quality. And when you've built visibility, collaborations become easier. Which brings us to the 3rd income stream.
Income stream number 3, styling and collaborations. This next one often gets overlooked. Styling and collaborations. You don't always have to be behind a sewing machine to make money from fashion. If you've got an eye for pairing colors, fabrics, and accessories, you can style photo shoots, music videos, events, or even everyday clients who want to look put together. Many stylists started as designers who just knew how to make people look good. Collaborations are gold too. Work with photographers, models, or influencers, not just for exposure, but to build relationships and open doors. Offer your designs for a shoot, get high-quality photos in return, and watch how that one collaboration multiplies your reach. Here's the rule. Don't wait for people to notice you. Position yourself where creativity is happening. Every shoot, every collab, every tag on social media, it's marketing you didn't have to pay for. And once people start asking how you do what you do, that's your signal for the next stream, teaching your skill. Income stream number 4, teaching or training. When people start asking, "Can you teach me?" that's your sign you've built something worth learning. And here's the thing, teaching is one of the underrated ways to make money as a designer. You can run short weekend classes in your area, teach basic sewing or pattern drafting, or even start online. Instagram Lives, YouTube tutorials, or private Zoom sessions. People pay for guidance, not perfection. Teaching does 2 things. It adds income and positions you as an authority. It tells the world, I don't just sew, I understand the craft. And once your students start sharing their results, that becomes free advertisement. If you don't have a full studio yet, start with small group lessons or one-on-one coaching. Record your sessions, turn them into digital courses later. You're not just passing skill, you're building legacy. Now, maybe you're not into teaching, but you're great at sketching or visual design. That's where our 5th income stream comes in. Income stream number 5, fashion illustration and digital design. Let's talk about a lane that's quietly making designers money, fashion illustration and digital design. Not everyone can sew, but plenty of people need visuals. Other designers, clothing brands, or even fashion students who want their ideas brought to life. If you can sketch clean concepts on paper or digitally, you can sell that skill. Start by creating sample sketches or mood boards. Post them online, tag fashion pages, and offer commissions. Tools like Procreate, Adobe Illustrator, or even Canva can help you make professional designs without expensive equipment. You can design logos, tech packs, or digital fashion concepts for clients anywhere in the world. That's the beauty of this lane. No fabric, no shipping, just creativity and internet. And once your visuals attract attention, you can turn that same creativity into content, which leads to the next income stream. Income stream number 6, fashion content creation. Now this one is new school, but it's changing lives fast. Fashion content creation. Think about it. People love to watch creativity in motion. If you start sharing your process, cutting fabric, fitting clients, styling looks, or even fixing mistakes, you're not just posting, you're building an audience. And audiences attract money. Brands need designers who can influence. You can earn from YouTube ads, TikTok partnerships, Instagram collaborations, or even your own digital products. The more consistent your content, the more valuable your name becomes. Don't overthink the gear. Start with your phone, natural light, and honest storytelling. The world loves authenticity, and one viral clip can introduce your designs to thousands of people who never knew your name yesterday. Now, once your audience starts to grow, that's leverage. Leverage you can use for something bigger: bulk orders and exports. Income stream number 7, bulk orders and exports. This is where things start to scale, bulk orders and exports. Once you've built trust with your designs, small stores and boutiques will want to stock them. It's no longer one client, one dress. It's 50 pieces of the same design going out at once. That's when you stop being a tailor and start running a brand. You can partner with boutiques, fashion resellers, or even online platforms that handle logistics for you. If your finishing and packaging are clean, they'll keep coming back. And for designers outside big cities, this lane can change your story completely. Exporting to other countries, especially where African fashion is in demand, can bring serious revenue. It just takes consistency, quality, and clear communication. So whether you're sewing from your room or managing a small team, remember, fashion can grow beyond you if you build systems, not just clothes. Now let's pull it all together. So, those are 7 real ways to make money as a fashion designer, from custom work to ready to wear, from teaching to content creation. You don't need to chase every lane. Just pick one that fits your current season and grow from there. Because fashion isn't only about clothes, it's about vision, strategy, and the courage to start small. The designers you admire didn't begin with a brand, they began with one client, one stitch, one post. So here's my challenge. Choose one income stream from this list and start moving on it this week. Don't wait for perfect. Progress pays more than perfection ever will. If this video gave you some clarity or motivation, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with another creative who needs it. I've got more coming, not just about fashion, but about turning your gift into growth. Till next time, keep creating, keep learning, and remember, your art deserves to pay you back.